So I'm with Wake County Government in Raleigh, North Carolina. So we provide fleet services, vehicle acquisition, maintenance, repair, fuel for our departments, which includes sheriff, EMS, administrative, and service vehicles. Our importance of our vehicles is to keep them on the road, safe, reliable, and available. So it's all about decreasing downtime, keeping the vehicles on the road consistently on a day-to-day basis. Our current fleet is about 1,200 vehicles. About 65% is emergency response. Probably over half of our fleet is sheriff. Our EMS department has about 80 ambulances, which takes up a lot of effort to keep them on the road. And besides that, we've got just regular cars, service trucks, and vans. So currently the challenges are finding vehicles. But right now it's constantly looking for vehicles that will replace the vehicles that are due for replacement. The manufacturers are giving us a lot of challenges based on pricing and availability. So we will issue purchase orders to buy vehicles, and they will cancel our POs after like 9 months waiting for the vehicles, and then we got to find a replacement. FleetWave we use on a daily basis, and everything needs to come out of FleetWave for the direction that we move in. So whether it's miles per gallon, utilization, carbon footprint, replacement analysis, we're using it for any decision that's made for replacing vehicles in the direction that we're moving in the future. Analyzing odometer usage and cost of vehicle ownership. Those are key features to decide when to replace a vehicle, what to replace it with, and when to replace it. Data management, and data drives our decisions. So we don't have good data, then we can't make decisions. So everything is about bringing data into our system. So we do a lot of integrations with other softwares. And so we try to make it a one-stop shop with FleetWave, where we can go in there and see anything from our fuel to our telematics, to our warranty reimbursement, to our repair orders. So we got one place to go for all of our answers.